ठीक है आप ये ट्यूसडे कर लें।
फैसल साहब, आपका हमेशा कोई बहाना जो है वो डोमेस्टिक होता है। Is there some domestic problem?
No sir, the domestic problem is on a foreign trip.
इसमें लिखिए।
लकी है वो जा सकते हैं।
इसमें लिखिए learned Attorney General has concluded his submissions to come up on Tuesday, date डाल दीजिए July 2024 at 11:30 a.m. to hear submissions in rebuttal.
Yes.
ठीक है, ठीक। if any तो की जरूरत नहीं है, if any तो आप करना है, ठीक है, if any ना लिखें।
How many?
Thank you
sir. Thank you.
You to your 15 minutes.
I will keep myself to the bench के बारे में मैं नहीं कह सकता sir.
You've taken a dig at the end.
I can see your lordship.
You've taken a dig at us at the end.
I can see your lordship also doesn't have control over the. Thank you sir.
Another dig.